na vertical e faz assim. Na vertical e faz assim. Queres que é? Na vertical ou na horizontal? Na vertical assim? Ah, na horizontal. Na vertical. Faz lá outra vez na vertical. Não, isso está horrível. Isso está bem da mal.
Bad weather and the very expensive marinas, we head back into mainland Spain and we visited the beautiful Valencia. There we walked around in bici, we ate paella, and we even had time to visit the LGBT parade.
Estreia. Estás a fazer?
After having so much fun in Valencia, we waited for the bad weather to be gone and we moved to La Rapita. So La Rapita, it's a big anchorage where we can stay for days. Here we tasted the local homemade vermouth and we attended the local festivities.
Vão soltar um touro. So hello guys, I wanted to show you, me and Alpha went for a little hiking, and I wanted to show you the place that we have been an anchor for some days now. Here, so it's a big bay. This is close here. It have a fine line of sand closing all of this, and the only water that comes in, it's from the enter of the bay. So we are there on the far, and we are 360 angle protect from swell and the wind, not obviously, but the swell. It's like this perfect place to be on anchor. So a lot of nature, and we really like it. This is the town. It's a small town, but have everything that we needed, and have 2 marinas. And yes, we've been here. So Alpha is enjoying the protection from the sun. And that's all. And I hope to see you soon. Bye guys.